This was someone's Snapchat account and this is after being hacked. Now, if you want to know that how the hackers hack the Snapchat accounts, you need to do only one thing, and that is you must keep watching this entire video till the end without skipping a single second, because if you skip, this is not gonna work. You will not have any right to complain at the end if this video didn't work if you skip in between, but I guarantee you that if you watch the entire video till the end without skipping a single second, you will be able to know that how the hackers hack the Snapchat accounts. I have already created a video on Snapchat hacking, but this is the more advanced video on this topic. Now let me tell you that this video is just for educating the people and it does not promote any illegal activities. You can use it for right or wrong, but I will not have any responsibility if someone uses it for wrong, because I'm doing it for educating the people. So the very first thing that hackers do to hack the Snapchat accounts is known as password guessing. Now, for example, someone has got your username from your Snapchat profile and now he tries to guess your password from the information he knows about you. For example, your date of birth, your country of living, or your living habits. For example, you can write a password like 1234567 This is the most common password around the world, and it may also be Canada 123 if you live in Canada. Or it can also be I love you, which is again within the list of most common passwords around the world. If your date of birth is 5 May 2001, it can be 0505, which means 5th May and 2002. These are the simplest passwords which are famous around the world, and people still write these kind of insecure passwords. For example, if I go to Google for showing you an example, and if I type in here most common passwords, and here is the list of top 200 most common passwords, and if I scroll down here you will get a list of all the common passwords, which is 1 to 6 and again 1 to 8 password. It can also be guest or secret or administrator or password 1 to 3. All of these passwords are so weak and people still write these kind of passwords. So now if someone tries to hack a Snapchat account, the hacker can guess these kind of passwords by giving different sets of these kind of simple passwords. The second type of method that hackers use to hack the Snapchat accounts is known as social engineering. Now what happens in this kind of hacking is the hacker tries to be an authorized user to access your account, and he may request you to get your account access for any kind of emergency maintenance. For example, if I send this message here, it can be like this. If the hacker has created an account named Team Snapchat like this, and he has also put Snapchat logo as his DP, and he sends you a message like this: Hi Sharjeel, which is my name. We are the Snapchat team and we need to fix some issues in your account. For that purpose, we need your date of birth, username, password, and your country of living. Now you can see what kind of beautiful trap it is. It is not directly asking the password of your account, but this password is merged in this set of things he is asking for. Kindly provide it so we can make Snapchat a better place for you, and regards, Snapchat team. Now if he is sending this message to you via an account named Team Snapchat, there are maximum chances that an uneducated person may fall for it, and he will just write his username, password, country of living, and date of birth, and he will just be thinking that Snapchat team will fix my issues, but his account gets hacked. The third type of scam the hackers do to hack the Snapchat accounts is known as spam emails. Now what is this? Just take a look at this email. A girl with a cute profile picture mailed me, which is, how's your current location? I asked, why are you asking that? And the reply was a kind of trap. The hacker behind this mail is trying to make me click on this link. And this is a type of phishing link which I had explained in the other video I have created, that what is a phishing link and how the hackers hack the Snapchat accounts using the phishing links. You can go watch out that video, which is now displaying on the iCard. Now as soon as I click on this link in the curiosity to know that who is this lady, there are scripts at the back end of this link which will enter into my mobile phone, and my Snapchat and even other social media accounts and even my YouTube channel will get hacked. So never ever click on these kind of unknown links. These are just traps to make you click on these kind of links and get your accounts hacked. If you want to know more about Snapchat hacking, there's my other video mentioned in the description of this video and in the pinned comment as well. You can go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.